Cars Drive Sphere brings you an in-depth review of the 2025 Tata Punch, a compact SUV that has been making waves in the Indian automotive market. The Tata Punch has gained immense popularity due to its robust design, feature-rich cabin, and impressive safety standards. In this review, we will dive into its specifications, features, and overall performance to help you understand if this micro SUV is the right choice for you. The 2025 Tata Punch retains its signature bold design with a muscular stance, sleek LED DRLs, projector headlamps, and a refreshed grille that adds to its aggressive appeal. The sculpted lines, stylish alloy wheels, and high ground clearance make it a perfect urban SUV with an adventurous touch. Tata has continued to focus on safety, and the Punch is expected to maintain its 5-star global NCAP rating, making it one of the safest cars in its segment. Under the hood, the Tata Punch is likely to be powered by a 1.2L Revotran petrol engine, delivering a balanced mix of power and efficiency. Tata Motors might introduce a new turbocharged variant for better performance. The car will be available with both a 5-speed manual transmission and an AMT, ensuring convenience for city and highway drives. Additionally, there are rumors of an electric variant, which could further enhance its appeal among eco-conscious buyers. The cabin of the 2025 Tata Punch is designed for comfort and practicality, featuring a well-laid-out dashboard with premium finishes. A large touchscreen infotainment system with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, a digital instrument cluster, automatic climate control, and a premium audio system are some of the key highlights. The spacious interior offers ample headroom and legroom, making it a comfortable ride for both drivers and passengers. Tata has also focused on connectivity features, including connected car technology, voice commands, and an advanced navigation system. In terms of features, the Punch is expected to come with cruise control, a rear parking camera, multiple driving modes, and enhanced safety features like ABS with EBD, traction control, and hill hold assist. The ride quality is smooth, thanks to its well-tuned suspension and sturdy build, ensuring confidence on rough terrains. With its blend of style, performance, and safety, the 2025 Tata Punch continues to be a strong contender in the subcompact SUV segment. Whether you are looking for a city-friendly car with SUV capabilities or a budget-friendly option with premium features, the Punch ticks all the right boxes. If you enjoyed this review and want to stay updated with the latest car reviews and comparisons, don't forget to subscribe to Cars Drive Sphere.